Welcome to the introduction video for the Elitech LMG-10 pressure gauge. Crafted for precision and ease of use, this advanced gauge is your ideal tool for all refrigerant measurement tasks. At the heart of the LMG-10 is its extensive database, featuring 88 refrigerants. This built-in resource allows you to instantly access pressure and evaporation temperature data for a wide range of refrigerants, streamlining your measurements and calculations. Using the LMG-10 is effortless, thanks to its intuitive design. The clear LCD display ensures that all data is easy to read, providing you with both convenience and accuracy during your operations. The LMG-10 is equipped with highly sensitive sensors that accurately measure high and low pressure side pressures, temperatures, and even the evaporation and saturation temperatures for your chosen refrigerants. In addition, the LMG-10 offers advanced features such as pressure holding for leak detection and temperature compensation to adjust for ambient temperature variations. These capabilities ensure precise pressure readings and minimize false positives. See the LMG-10 in action and experience its exceptional precision and reliability. Whether for refrigerant systems or industrial applications, this gauge is engineered to meet your highest standards.